Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer when you're going underneath your sound profiles and your microphone shows that it is not plugged in. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend looking into would be trying to plug into a different USB port. So try moving your microphone to a different port and see if that resolves the problem. Make sure it has a good connection as well. And make sure that if there is a speaker or mute icon on your microphone headset itself or on the cord, make sure it's turned on and that it's not muted. So once you've done that, something else we're going to go ahead and try here would be opening up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match, come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters. Underneath other, scroll down and select where it says recording audio and then the run button. And then see if it's able to resolve the problem through here. It's definitely worth trying. And if you want to scroll up underneath most frequent, playing audio, run that one as well. And then I would recommend following along with the on-screen prompts as it suggests. So close out of here. Something else we can look into as well, if we open up the search menu and type in control panel, best result should come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Select view by up at the top right and then large icons and then select sound. Now we're going to go to the recording tab. And then if there's any disabled devices in here, you could find them by right-clicking in a blank area and then checkmark where it says show disabled devices, so make sure that's checkmarked, as well as showing disconnected devices. You could try right-clicking on the device you're having the problem with and you can enable it if it's disabled, so you could right-click and enable. In our case, when I'm right-clicking on a currently available one, it says disabled because it's currently enabled. And then you could select properties and then adjust the settings through here, various settings for the microphone, as well as configuring different options through speech recognition as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to hopefully troubleshoot this problem for you. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.